But your camera is good, bro.
Not
But outer look, phone is looking like old. Because at that night I also saw it. Outer look, yeah, it looked like a very old phone. Glass is also broken, something. But camera,
temper glasses are broken.
yeah. But camera is too good. You know that Kale, his brother give his Mac camera quality is also too good.
Dhananjay mobile phones camera is also good.
Too expensive, bro. That phone is too expensive. More than 1 lakh price.
His picture quality is also good.
But one thing is good in Mac. You start a lot of application in one time. That is too good. That is too good function.
In my phone also you can like open both camera, front and back.
No, bro. I mean, in one time, you start live, you start YouTube. Cannot available in phone. But in PC, you can 13, 14 work in one time. That's the advantage of PC. But same thing is not in phone. That's why PC is too good than phone. Take button wala phone and yeah, at your home you put one Mac. That is too good because nowadays every online work you can do from
What's
Mac.
in the first bro?
Check.
Let's check.
Auntie.
You will pay first right?
Yeah. 15. Today is 19.
Yeah. How much you pay? 11,000?
11.
We also have to pay, huh?
How much you take? 2? 2 seater, 2, 3 seater, 11. What are them? Which machine is this? Drilling machine?
Drilling.
Yeah, thought so.
No bro, it's broke bro
Like Nala type. Water this.
Yeah. I also have to cut my hair too.
Hey, why you cut your hair? Hair fall problem.
No, not
Then
no, bro,
long
just
problem.
like this slope.
Because Guddu have hair fall problem. If he do like this and it
Also
10, 11, 12 hair falls come. No, 1 to only. But when Guddu do 10, 11.
Hey bro, if I take my longer hair, then I also have to face like hair fall problem, dandruff problem.
You have to change the side. First where go? Prabhu or Siddharth? What is time? Prabhu because Prabhu is too close.
Yeah, 3.
4. And Siddharth Bank is close at 5.
5.
So first Prabhu then Siddharth.
Even 5 or 6.
First hand you buy or second hand phone you buy?
First time.
First hand.
Yeah.
How much they take?
40,500.
40,500. Too expensive. 40,000 is Nepali school salary.
Actually, I take 10,000 from my home family and 30,000 was earning from the Binance.
Yeah.
And both adding like 40,500 and 3 to 4,000
Bro, but
in
phone
party.
phone is also for phone only. Also you have to give party.
Actually, bro, I went for a whenever I was going to buy a phone.
Yeah.
Actually, I went for 4 friends.
Yeah. So that's
You know the friends, yeah.
Yeah,
Every day
party,
party.
yeah.
We want a treat.
Treat, yeah.
Then okay,
That is
let's go.
also good.
And I was earning at time good money per day 2,000, 2,500.
No, that is also good. If you have money and if someone say to you, hey, give me treat, then
It's
you
okay.
are also happy. It's okay. But at that time you don't have money. At that time you also feel uncomfortable, yeah. And we don't need to pressure to anyone.
Yeah, everyone
Is
has
it true? If you have any problem, because no one know which problem you
Yeah.
suffer. So that's why.
When I came to Kathmandu in first time,
Yeah.
I was living in Lasai with my 4 friends, and everyone earning 25,500. No, 2,500 or 5,000
Yeah.
per day, bro.
Yeah.
And we are
Doing a lot
expensive
of-
10,000, bro, per day in hotel.
No, that is true. If you have more money, then no matter But when you
Our
have
monthly expenses is like 60,000, 70,000 per month. Only room 21,500 for
Only
room
room
rent.
rent,
Room rent 30,000 for food.
Yeah.
Per day expenses is in kitchen only 1,000 rupees.
kitchen, what you always meet.
Meat, paneer, biryani, always bro expensive thing.
It's a lot of things.
Yeah, that was a great time, great fun with my friends. In Balkumari area, you almost visit every hotel, bro.
Where are they now?
Yeah.
Friends, your friends are. Where are they now?
Two in UK.
Go from
One is in India.
what they do in UK?
The UK. They are going for a study.
Today Kale give interview just like mock test, and his teacher asked why you want to go abroad. Kale directly said, sir, money. Simple, sir. Everyone go outside for money, and second is education also. No, sir is just smiling, and sir said that is truth. Kale said, sir, everyone know.
Yeah.
Why I need to hide? Well, bro, anyone why left his house, his family?
Yeah.
For money only. Anyone left house, his family, his parents. If he don't earn better money, then why he go outside? That, bro, if anyone, you or me or anyone left his family, parents, or everything,
Just for
even if-
money, bro.
just for money, even you don't earn more money, then why you need to go outside?
Stay with the family.
Bro, what is the price of this EV?
Like 175, 180.
Then why don't buy it like this? If we want 2 lakh, we have to
No,
pay for
bro.
this.
In our Tarai,
Yeah.
mostly concept has the scooty is made for like girls.
That-
women. No, bro. I'm just telling you.
Yeah, this is bad concept.
And boys like
Ah.
they want a heavy bike, like maybe heavy, full of speed. They won't want to drive slow or anything.
That's why accident also.
Yeah.
Lot of accident. But I love scooty more because scooty is so simple and anyone can drive.
Bike is also simple, bro. Just
No, if bike fall, if you are boy then it is okay.
Yeah.
You can. But if your sister or anyone, then she cannot
can't.
able to. So that's why if you scooty then everyone can
Easily.
able to. So that's why, brother, people why take bike show off, not
Show
for
off.
not for transportation.
Yeah, bro.
If they take for transportation, then no problem. Because for transportation this is also good. If we have, for example, second hand scooty, then we can with second hand scooty or not, because we need transportation, not we have to show off.
nowadays everyone wants to show up.
So bro, you observe in Tarai, everyone make new nowadays ita ghar.
Yeah.
Why? First is show off.
No, bro. Not so because you also know in what clay ghar,
Yeah.
clay houses, we have to face like in raining season.
Rain,
There
yeah.
is a lot of problem like from here,
That is also good.
here.
But bro, listen. That I agree with you. But if someone make a car like that bricks, no ita, and floor up or what's up, roof. If they use roof as a khapra, then is it good or not? Because in Tara, in summer
good,
region,
bro.
how temperature we have to maintain?
But nowadays everyone wants to show up like see
Ah.
that I'm rich.
That is also bad.
Bricks houses are good, bro.
No, my dad said to me which type of house you want to make. So I clearly said, if you want to make like house, okay, make, but in roof you have to take.
I always tell to my mom,
Uh,
whenever I will earn money, I will make like in village who's ghar.
no, house is not
Seriously, bro?
complicated.
I told my parents,
House ghar is
no, bro.
is complicated
I told my
because
parents, if I have a money in my balance, like minimum 5 crore, 4 crore,
Yeah.
then only I will invest like 50 lakh or 60 lakh in my house.
Yeah, that
Other-
is too good.
Otherwise,
Other don't invest in
if
house.
if I have only like 50 lakhs or 60 lakhs,
Then
I want.
That is a good habit, a good thing, because house is one of the loss of money.
Yeah.
No returning. If you made the house and if they have all the rooms are in rent, then very good thing. Because in Kathmandu people do same thing.
Yeah, bro.
They made the house, they buy a house and they are staying Tarai, but they aren't from Kathmandu.
Because it's an earning source. In village, if you invest like 1 crore or 50 crore, 50 lakhs in
House.
what
What
do you
is-
get return? Nothing.
Zero.
It's just a waste of money. You just do like, I have money, I'm in a so highly
Yeah.
standard house.
That is
I
business
just in my
mind.
mind, if I have only like 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, I never make a house like a bricks.
What you need.
Whenever I have a 5 crore or 6 crore in my bank balance,
Yeah.
then only I will make.
I don't have, then why I need to show up? Only schools are there, lot of schools. In Kathmandu.
There's also MBBS, BBS institute.
Yesterday when we was playing cards, I watched a video in YouTube. One people make a school and so expensive school. That school is too expensive. And he earned minimum in 1 month 5 crore 6 crore from school.
That's a good thing.
How is
If you invest
business?
your money and then you will get a return, that's a good.
His business is also too large. Because in Nepal you earn 5 crore 6 crore per month. It is enough.
Even a 10 lakhs is good. No, bro.
Yeah.
If someone is earning, is staying in Nepal and earning 10 lakhs, 4 lakhs,
Yeah.
5 lakhs in Nepal, that's a good.
That's
In Nepal,
very
we don't have too much expenses. Bro.
Mm.
If someone is
And it
earning-
depends upon you also.
Oh, yeah, also, bro.
But if you do expenses, in unnecessary thing like those, then you cannot manage.
No, bro. At least someone earning like 5 lakhs. Just suppose 5 lakhs. If you also stay with 30 to 30 days with someone girls, you have to pay how much? 5,000 per day. That only 10 lakhs.
No,
bro.
that is what they, you visit with her, you drink with her, lot of expenses, bro.
That's a waste of money. But
She said to let's go to visit from a lot of places, because when you stay with any girl without wife, what is the aim of girl also? I just enjoy from him. I just
Yeah.
take, because she also better know I cannot earn this type of money. That's why lot of girls why choose rich person, and they don't focus in their age.
Yeah.
They are 60, 70, no matter, but just they need money.
you just want to like live their life how they dream now.
Yeah.
You just want to fulfill their life. Like this way.
So that's why. Bro, that what industry?
Yeah.
Oil industry. Oil is also produced in our country. Also, oil is also produced in our country. Oil.
No, bro.
Then
They import from India or other countries.